Ayan, gusto nyo yan ah. Looking through the eyes of love. Bakit parang off-frame ako? Ang init kasi, guys. Please, don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am. Everything I wanna be. Yay! I can see what's mine now. Finding out what's true. Since I found you. Looking through the eyes of love. Now I can take the time. I can see my life as it comes up shining now. Reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you. Looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that even in your storm we'll find some light. Knowing you're beside me, I'm alright. Please, don't let this feeling end. It might not come again. And I want to remember how it feels to touch you. How I feel so much since I found you. Looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that even in your storm we'll find some light. Knowing you're beside me, I'm alright. Now I can take the time. I can see my life as it comes up shining now. Reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you. Looking through the eyes of love. Nakikringe ako. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my cover. If you have any requests, go to the comment section. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and of course, the notification bell. So you'll be informed of new videos that your girl uploads every other day. Okay, so I have to go watch for the next cover song. Okay, mga medyo oldies but goodies yung mga nasa repertoire ko for this week. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye!